This is a glimpse of all the tools and products that I'll be using. And this is my hair model for today / friend. So as you see, I've started at the back and I'm using the diamond shape technique to part her hair in order to do box braids. She has a lot of hair, so I'm doing them like a medium to large size. The box part in itself is a medium to large size, and then I try to match the ratio of her real hair to the ratio of the braiding hair, so it could be equal ratios. So before putting the hair in extensions, I like to moisturize each square and then add the braiding hair to her hair. It's important to have your hair clean and moisturized before each protective style. And I don't braid tight, so the hair is secure, but it's not tight to the point where it's causing a headache or it's pulling on the follicles. And of course guys, the video is sped up because I don't braid this fast. I wish I did. I'm just trying to give you a glimpse of all angles. And this is the end results at the back. And now I'm gonna do her Fulani cane rows at the front, and if you're missing any information guys, I'll put it down in the description box, like for example how much Xpressions hair I used and how many times I cut the hair. So I'm just going in with some edge control around her edges so that the front can be really neat. And I start off by cane rowing her real hair and then feeding in the smaller pieces of Xpressions hair to create a feeding Ghana cane row effect. And I learned how to do this from Beauty Can Braid here on YouTube. And now I'm doing the two famous side front facing cane rows, and again I go in with the edge control first. Start off by braiding her real hair and then slowly feed in the smaller pieces of Xpressions hair underneath. And I'm doing these two front facing cane rows a bit shorter than the rest of the braids at the back. And the braid pattern that we're using is an image that we saw from Google Images. We just typed in Fulani Braids on Google and decided which one we liked. And I'm just snipping the Xpressions hair, not her real hair, just because it got tangled. And after this last 2 cane rolls, guys, all I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna dip her hair in hot water because her hair is practically the same length as the braid. I cut the braiding hair into 3 pieces, turned it in half and started braiding, and her hair is almost as long as the braid. So if I was to dip her hair in hot water, it would damage her real hair. So what I'm gonna do is just get some mousse, put it on top of the hair, get a damp hot towel, put that on top of the hair, and then let her tie the hair down, let her sit underneath the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, and then spray the hair with some oil sheen and some holding spray. Sleek up the edges with some more edge control, snip away any flyaway bits, add the accessories, add the decorations, trim the ends a little bit, and then the style is complete. And I'm adding the mousse just to smooth out the length of the braid, because sometimes it can get quite frizzy, and the mousse helps to stop with the frizziness. This is just a close-up of the braiding pattern. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.